For years, I thought all prop firms were bad, and obviously you guys know me. I trade options, I trade with real live capital. I've always stayed away from the prop firm space and the future space because I just thought it was very scummy, and that's just the truth. But prop firms have been the fastest growing thing in the trading industry ever. It's absolutely insane. So I kept doing more and more research, and I started to be open-minded. I realized that not all prop firms are bad. They're not all bad. If you're somebody who has lower amounts to trade with, or can't afford to put a couple $1,000s in an account, or even just wants to start very, very small, I think that there's a prop firm that has a very, very, very good deal and is legit. And it's Tradeify. So you guys know I've never done a brand deal before, ever. But this is the first one that I'm vouching for. Tradeify, in my opinion, is the best prop firm, and this is after over a year of research, trying to figure out what has the best rules, what's the most fair to traders, the fastest way to be a live trader, and I've came to the conclusion that Tradeify is the best one. They've done over $150 million in payouts, and now I want to explain all the plans, why I like it, and why I think it could be a good opportunity. And I'm not switching the futures by any means at all. You guys know I love options, I love my strategy, I love my system. But for you guys who trade maybe SPY or QQQ, or you could always do futures. And I'm thinking about maybe, like, instead of doing SPY and Q options when I do trade them, which is not that much, maybe doing ES and NQ, or adding in another trading session and trying it out, because I think it's a good opportunity for traders. It is. So I want to go over the accounts, the different types of accounts. Something that's really interesting is everyone thinks like, oh, these prop firms, they make money from you losing from the challenges, which they do. But something cool that Tradeify has is that after you get 2 payouts, they consider to give you real live capital to trade with and partner with you. Like, not simulated funds, real live capital. That's after 2 payouts. They're really a legit trading firm trying to get traders on real live capital. Another thing that I really like is they have instant funded accounts. So accounts where you don't even have to pass a challenge, you can just get instantly funded. So again, I don't want this to be like a freaking show video or anything like that, but more or less I'm just making this video because I think that it could be beneficial for some traders, and I think this is the best trading prop firm. Let's get into Tradeify and the different accounts and why I like it. As you can see here, there is 3 different types of accounts. By the way, make sure you use code NEWAGE. There is a growth account, a select account, and a lightning account. First things first, the growth account, you can get funded the same day. So all you have to do on the 25K account is hit a $1,500 profit target before losing $1,000. It's sick. It's sick. Next, there's a 50K account, and the profit targets just move. The point of this account is basically you can get funded the same exact day. Then you have to hit your profit target before hitting the drawdown. The max contract says 4 minis or 40 micros if you're trading futures. Once you get funded, there's 35% consistency. The payout frequency is 5 days, and the max, you could buy 5 accounts at once for any of these plans. 35% consistency basically means, say you make $5,000 in one day, and that's your biggest day, it can't be. So technically it's like 3 days to get a payout. You'd have to do like 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Like, you can't do 5,000, 2,000, 1,000. No, because that 5,000 is way too big. So you need to have consistency, and it needs to be spread out between 3 days, if that makes sense. Here, we can even ask the AI to make it a little more simple for you guys. So basically, as you can see, the consistency rule requires traders to show steady performance before requesting a payout. Specifically, no single day's profits should exceed a set percentage of the trader's total profits over a given period of time. So if you're gonna get a $10,000 payout, you were requesting a $10,000 payout, one day you can't have made $5,000. So that's the growth account. You get funded in one day. You just have to hit your profit target before the drawdown. You get funding that day, and yeah. Then there's a select account, which it takes 3 days to get funded. How do you know that? Because it says it, but also consistency 40%. So with this account, like, you are not going to get funded if, say, it says you have to do, so for example, say you hit the $3,000 profit target on this account, but in one day you made $3,000. You're not gonna be able to do that. No. You could do 3, 3, and 3. But again, you cannot do that. So you want to trade these like disciplined, guys. That's a big problem. I like the 150K accounts personally. Again, all the same rules. So this one, the select accounts, I really like, because once you hit your profit target and you follow your rules and you're consistent, you get to choose your funding path. You can get daily payouts, which is absolutely crazy. But the max payout is $2,500. But like, you can literally, once you pass the account, take a small green trade, you could withdraw it same day. Really cool. So it says daily payouts. Once you pass, you can get the option to do daily or flex, which is bigger max payout, but not daily payout, and no daily loss limit, which is pretty cool. Next, the Lightning instant funding accounts. Yeah, you heard that right. No challenge, instant funding, and that's it. This one, you have to be really disciplined because the consistency is 20%, meaning to get a payout, it takes at least 5 days. Because obviously, like, you know, if you have a $10,000 payout you want to take, but one day you made $3,000, won't work. It's 20% consistency. It could be 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Or you could just take it slow, lock in, and go from there. But these are really cool accounts because they're instant funding. No, you don't have to pass a challenge like you do have to in the select and growth. There's no evaluation phase. It's just straight to a funded. And if you think you're a disciplined trader, but you don't want to do the challenge, you can get a Lightning instant funded account. They also have sick brokers, Tradeovate, Ninja Trader, Wealth Charts, and there is no hidden rules or extra fees. You get instant funding or 1 day to pass. Lightning, no activation fees on growth accounts. You can 5 payouts and you're live. So if you get 5 payouts, you're live. And after 2 payouts, it starts to consider you to potentially be live. There's also no subscriptions anymore. No more subscriptions or hidden subscriptions, no hidden rules, no payout denials. It's really cool. I actually know the founder, Brett. We've been good friends for a while, and that's another reason why I decided to pick this one is I know Brett personally, and I really don't think he would screw traders. But again, guys, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research. But I just wanted to make this video because I know there's a lot of traders that trade with prop firms, a lot of people who have smaller accounts, and although I'm not really trading with these accounts, because I trade options, I do think it's a really good opportunity for people. And there's 40% off if you use my code, the biggest discount you could get, which is code NEWAGE. But yeah, I think Tradeify is a really cool prop firm. And I know I've talked bad about prop firms in the past, but I am just saying right now that the truth is, I was wrong about them. I mean, you have to be very careful because there are that have hidden rules, hidden subscriptions, and all that stuff. But Tradeify is a good prop firm. I like them, and this is the prop firm that I would recommend for traders, and that's coming from a guy who's never taken a brand deal before. And like, money to me is like whatever. The number one thing for me is my reputation and the impact I leave on people. So I would never want to steer you guys in the wrong way. So if you do end up wanting to do an account or anything, use code NEWAGE. I love you guys. New videos every Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern. By the time you're watching this video, I'm filming a sick vlog right now, so stay tuned for next Sunday, and God bless you guys. We're gonna keep crushing it. My goal was to motivate, inspire, and show you guys if I could do it, you could do it too. I love you guys. God bless you. Peace.